Butternut squash. Best known for its bright orange flesh, butternut squash is one of the most popular of all winter squashes. Its long, dense veggie tastes like a cross between a pumpkin and a sweet potato when roasted, but with a slightly nutty flavor. Best knife for the job? That'd be the effin' sharp chef's knife. After giving the squash a rinse, we're gonna cut off both ends. We're gonna remove any inner fibers and seeds if there are any. And some people prefer to peel the skin before cutting into medium-sized squares and roasting, but it's not necessary. I'm going to use the effin' sharp paring knife to get into a more delicate cut here by just cutting down along the side, following the contour, and removing that skin. When choosing a butternut squash, look for an even cream color. The squash should also be firm with no soft spots and heavy for its size. There's no wrong way to cut a butternut squash. You can cut them into cylinders like you see here. We can also cut it in half and then cut down each side, making strips. Then we'll stack the strips on top of each other and cut smaller thin strips known as a julienne cut. Don't forget, make sure to use your knuckle, placing the blade against it as your guide when cutting. Depending on what dish you're preparing, you can make small slices, slice it into cubes. It really doesn't matter. What you're going to do is prepare it by either roasting or baking in the oven until fork tender. You can even boil it to become a mash. It's up to you. A whole uncut squash can be stored in a cool, dark place for up to a month. Once you've cut it, wrap it in plastic and refrigerate for up to 5 days. Enjoy!